Hi guys, today I want to explain you how I choose my engine for this small fishing boat Lund SSV-14. I know that this boat can use 30 horsepower engine maximum. This my engine has 25 horsepower, but before I have decided to buy this engine, I saw 6 another engines. It was Honda BF25 and BF30. It was Daihatsu MFS25, MFS30, and it was Yamaha F25 and F30. I will give you links in description below about all these engines. What I thought about this, I tried to found engine more light engine. It is very important, I think, for this small fishing boat, because sometimes I saw people put on the transom big engines, and it looks like the stern goes to the water, and we have in my boat 20-inch transom. Yes, it is good, but if you put here big weight, this transom goes down the water, and this boat is very light, and sometimes if you start driving this boat, the bow go up, and in my boat there are battery there and spare anchor, enough weight, and I have now a good balance because of my boat, because this engine here, and there is the battery, and under this seat there is the gas tank, 6 gallons, and there are a lot of weight here in this area near the transom. And this engine has only 137 laps weight, and I have decided to buy this engine, and this engine is very good, and the model is F25 LWHC. This is a long shaft and electric start. There are many videos about this great engine. A very good feature, you can start this engine without battery, only with this manual. You need only engine and gas tank, and you can go. And of course there is very good feature for trolling and another things. I will give you link about this engine in description below. After I have decided about this engine, I thought that I need electric tilt and trim, and I bought and installed this electric tilt and trim CMC PT35. It's nice thing. You need only drill 4 holes here and install this plate to the transom. But please be very careful and read careful instruction, because you need to install this right. Here is a small gap here. You can put like this, and here this is the same level with the transom. If you don't do this, the engine, when you will try to up it, don't go, because it's stuck with this here. And I saw video when one person did this mistake. And with this engine, my boat have a good speed with 2 people, and all stuff, as I remember, it is about 26 miles per hour. Have a great day. Bye.